Have you ever wondered why Jamaican food is always so flavorful? Well, let me tell you something. It all starts in the kitchen. It's not just about the recipes, it's about all the herbs and spices we grew up on using in our kitchen. Now, today I'm going to share with you some of the essential herbs and spices you should have in your kitchen as a Jamaican girl. When people think of Jamaican food, the first thing that comes to their mind is the spicy, the jerk, the hot food, Scotch bonnet pepper. But really, it's the layers of fresh herbs, spices, and the seasonings that all comes together into that awesome, powerful flavor of Jamaica. Now, let's get into each of the essentials you should have in your kitchen as a Jamaican girl, or if you want to start cooking up some Jamaican food. Let's dive into them each one by one. Number one on the list is scallion or escallion, or the Jamaicans abroad, people abroad might call it green onions. Now this goes into almost everything. When you're cooking a rice and peas, you see people often put a big chunk like this, wrap it up like this, and drop it in another pot. You can always blend it up into your green seasoning. This is one of the essentials that goes into green seasoning or jerk marinade or any marinade Jamaican style or even Caribbean style. So that's one on the list. Next on the list is thyme. This fresh thyme is a must, and this is what adds a significant Jamaican flavor to soups, stews, your rice and peas, and even your green seasoning or your marinades, and even jerk. Yeah, thyme. Smells so good. I just picked this from my backyard.
Next on the list, we have garlic, we have onions, and we have ginger. These are the foundations of many Jamaican dishes. You know, especially ginger. When you're sick and your belly hurts you, you feel nauseous, ginger is the remedy for so many aches and ailments in Jamaica, in the Caribbean. But then we have pimento or pimento berries, as a lot of people call them, or allspice. See, this is what it looks like. This is one of Jamaican's most famous spices. It's used in jerk seasoning, soups, and stews, and it has a hint of cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg all in one. So this adds the special touch to jerk. And a lot of people would prefer to grind it out so you can get the rich flavor, all the flavors of it when it's grinded out. Next we have nutmeg. See, this is what it looks like. This is a whole nutmeg, what it looks like. And we also have cinnamon. This is the fresh, real, natural cinnamon leaves. These aren't just used for baking. They also find them in Jamaican drinks, porridge, desserts. When you're cooking a cornmeal porridge, nowadays we use the cinnamon sticks when we're abroad, but this is the authentic cinnamon leaf that we use all the time.
And or Scotch bonnet peppers. These comes in multiple different colors. This brings out the heat, but also a fruity, different flavor that is unique and very hard to replace. Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. And of course, many Jamaican families make their own green seasoning by blending all these herbs and spices to use on hand, on the go when they're making their marinades or their green seasoning. Every Jamaican kitchen is different, but these are the most ones you'll find on hand in most Jamaican homes. Now you tell me, what herb or spices you just can't cook without? And if you're following my Passports of Late series, we are stopping around the Caribbean, one island at a time. So be sure to tune in and follow on this journey along. I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye for now.